Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. As you can see that the price of gold is currently trading at around $1621.33. Okay, and if you look at this particular chart, what we have seen, a U pattern is forming. After that, what we have seen, there is a continuous downfall. This is the swing at a high of around $2073.09, and this is already being tested here. So keep this in mind. If the price goes above a level of around, you can say 1980, there is higher probability it can cross a level of 2070 and then it can move further upside. This is an additional information I'm giving you. If some trades comes like this, you can take that. Okay, now we have seen there is a continuous downfall in a descending order. Okay, so what you have to understand here is that if the price move above a level of around 17, you can say 1715 or 1716, then only we can see it can break this particular trend and can go for high. Okay, but if it crosses this particular down, that means if it goes below a level of 1613, then it can go further down and can move towards further down towards a level of around 1550 or 1514, because this trend line will move and there is high chances that the strong support will move further down and can come to a next strong support, that is $1555. Okay, now what you have to understand looking at the chart, that once the price made a swing at this particular level or any level after making a strong support, we can see then only a trend towards upside will start. Otherwise we can see his total trend is on the downside. Okay, so now if you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link I have given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, now what we can see in the next week, if you look at this chart, suppose if this level sustain, which is a lesser chances that it can go further high towards a level of $1645. Okay, as you can see that 1635 is a support, which is a resistance which is already being a weak resistance, so probability is high. If the price goes to a level of 1635, then we can see it can touch a level of 1641. Okay, and once the price sustain above that particular level, then we can see it can go towards a level of $1666. Okay, and once the price move above that particular level, then there is high chances that we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of around 1703. Keep this in mind. If the price move above level of $1666, then we can see it can touch a level of $1703. Okay, again I repeat, if the price sustain this particular level, then we can see it can move further upside and can touch a level of $1638, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 1641. Once the price move up this level, then we can see a level of 1666, and from there we can see it can move further upside, and from there we can see it can go towards a level of 1688, which is a weak resistance, so probability is high, we can see it can touch a level of $1703. Okay, and once the price move above 1703, then there is high chances of moving towards a level of $1725, and from there we can see it can touch a level of around $1747. Keep this in mind. Once the price move above 1703, then only we can see a trend towards upside can start, because a trend line will break upside, so there is high chances it can go further high and can touch a level of 1745, and from there we can see it can go towards a level of around 1762 and then further high. Okay, and if the price goes above that level, then you can check my monthly video where I explain it can move. Okay, now as you can see, as we know that the market is volatile and we have seen that the USD dollar is getting strengthened. So suppose now if the price didn't sustain this particular level, which is a higher chances, it can go and touch a level of around $1614. Okay, and if the price move below that particular level, that means if it crosses a level of 1613, once it touches this particular level, we can see it can go further low and can touch a level of around 1593. Okay, so from there we can see it can move further low. If the price didn't sustain this particular level also, then can touch a level of 1574, and from there we can see it can touch a level of around $1563. Okay, and if the price move below that particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of $1557, and from there we can see it can go towards a level of around $1538. Okay, and once the price move below that particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of $1519, and from there we can see it can move further low and can touch a level of around $14,488. Okay, $488. Oh, and as you have to understand that once the price move below a level of 1563, then only we can see it can move further down, and there is high chances that it can go towards a level of 1492, and from there we can see it can touch a level of around $1454 also. Okay, and if the price move below that, I will explain you where it can go and make a dedicated video on it. The video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it.